Hello students, this is your accounts class. Today we will start after your exam new chapter ledger that we have skipped chapter 13 in your book ledger. Now what do you mean by the ledger? Ledger क्या होता है? Ledger is a name of book for the purpose of making account. We use this book ledger for making the accounts only. Okay? For in journal, जैसे हम journal में books of journal is known as books of original entry. In journal, we will pass the transaction first time. Like if we are starting the business, then we will pass the journal entry bank account debit to capital account. Fine. Now after that, if we are purchasing the goods, then we will pass the entry purchases account debit to bank. So in journal we will record the transaction first time. First recording we will do in the journal book. After that, if we want to record separate account, like we want to that how much balance of bank we are having, how much total purchase at the end of month, then this thing we cannot know about the journal. Journal से हमें इस बात का पता नहीं चल सकता है ना. तो what we will do that after journal one new book is prepare ledger. Ledger में हम क्या करते हैं? We will prepare the account. We will prepare T-shaped account of every accounts that we use in the journal. Like in journal we have used bank account, capital account, purchases account. So we will make the separate record of each account. We will calculate at the end of month balance of every account so that we can know that at the end of every month how much purchases are there, how much bank balances are there, how much salary we are paying. Like for salary we will pass a journal entry salary account debit to bank. So by salary account we come to know that how much is total salary at the end of every month. Okay, so we will open every account in ledger book. In journal we will pass the journal entries date wise, that is known as chronological order. But in ledger we will not make the account date wise. We will prepare the account bank account, capital account, purchases account, and whenever there will be transaction related to bank account, that only we will record in the bank account. If any entry no bank account is used, then there will be no recording in the bank account. Okay, so what is the performa of ledger? This is a T shape. In center we will write the name of account, which account we are making, bank account. So don't be afraid, there are so many accounts. Like we have passed 10 journal entries. If all the accounts are debit credited or separate, then we will make the 20 accounts. But ऐसा होता नहीं है. In 10 journal entries, near about 6-7 accounts we will use. So we will prepare that 6 or 7 accounts. We will not open like first entry bank account we have used. In second entry again we have used bank account. So it means that we will not make the bank account 2 times. We will make the bank account 1 time. In that account only we will record the this entry also and this entry also. जर्नल से अकाउंट लेजर अकाउंट में जब हम कोई भी ट्रांजेक्शन्स लिखते हैं दैट इज नोन एज पोस्टिंग. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पोस्टिंग. ओके, in journal we will record the transaction, that is known as journal entry, and from journal then we will make the account, that is known as posting. And one thing keep in mind that without journal, ledger is not possible. So if any student has not done this chapter, journal, then he is not able to understand the ledger chapter. So first of all, if your journal entry is correct, then only ledger will be correct. If this is wrong, then ledger also will be wrong. Okay. So what is the pro forma of ledger of any account? In center we will write the name of account. This is debit side and right side, that is credit side. Total 8 columns are there. Date, 4 debit side and 4 credit side. Particular, journal folio and amount. What is the pro forma of journal? In journal we have made the column of ledger folio, L/F. Folio means page number. In journal we will write the page number of ledger, that in ledger book on which page number we have posting this journal entry. And in ledger we will write the page number of journal, that this entry that we will write in the, bank account, on this entry on which page number in journal book lie. Okay. So journal folio, amount, and same these 4 columns will be in the credit side. Date, particular, journal folio and amount. Okay. So this is the format of any account. How much account we want to make? We will make the separate pro forma of every account. This is, here we will write the record of bank. Like now we are make another account, purchases account. In center we will write the name of account. Make 2 part of this. Write debit and credit. Make 4 column. Date, particular, journal folio, amount. Date, particular, journal folio and amount. Okay. So like this we will open the accounts that we have used in journal. अब ये account बनाते कैसे हैं? See this. Date, particular, journal folio and amount. Okay. Now see the first journal entry. Bank account debit to capital account. In this we have used 2 account, bank account and capital account. We will posting of this journal entry in 2 accounts. एक बैंक अकाउंट में और एक कैपिटल अकाउंट में. Okay, like I have written purchases here, but we need capital account on second number, capital account. Okay, so see carefully. In first journal entry, bank account debit. So in bank account, in debit side we will write to capital account. In first journal entry, bank account is debit. Why? किसके कारण डेबिट है बैंक अकाउंट? कैपिटल के कारण. So in debit side we will write to capital account. Amount, like amount is 1 lakh. Then in amount column we will write 1 lakh. Understand? Now in capital account is credit. So in capital account, in credit side we will write by bank account. Fine. In amount column we will write 1 lakh. Students, you should keep one thing in mind, that which account we are making. In that account, inside debit or credit side, we will not use the name of that account. For example, this is bank account. सो इसके डेबिट और क्रेडिट साइड में कहीं भी बैंक अकाउंट नहीं आएगा. हैव यू सीन दैट एनी जर्नल एंट्री दैट बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट? नहीं ना. सो लाइक दिस बैंक अकाउंट में कभी कहीं भी टू बैंक या बाय बैंक नहीं आएगा. वी विल राइट if in any journal entry bank account is debit, then in debit side we will write the credit account. If any journal entry bank account is credit, like in second journal entry purchases account debit to bank, here bank account is credit. So in credit side we will write by purchases account. Like amount is 40,000, then in amount column we will write 40,000. In purchase account is debit in second journal entry. So in purchase account debit side we will write to bank account. Same rule is there for every account or for the posting. There is no any rule regarding the real account, personal account, nominal account. कोई separate rule नहीं है. Same rule is there for every account. Okay. Now one more account we will make, that salary account debit to bank. This is third journal entry. Here also salary account is debit. So in salary account, in debit side we will write to bank account. And in bank account, in credit side we will write by salary account. How much amount is there? That we will write here, like 10,000 is there, then we will write 10,000. Okay, so this is known as posting from journal to ledger. इससे क्या होता है कि at the end of month we will come to know that how much balance we are having in our bank account. Okay, वो ऐसे नहीं पता चलेगा. At the end of month we will close the account to know the balance. How we will close the account? For the closing, first of all we will do the total of both sides. Total, you can write here total 1 lakh, and total of credit side is 50,000. This is total. Then difference of both side total, 1 lakh minus 50,000, difference is 50,000. So that is the balance of bank account at the end of that month. We will write here by balance carried down. Carried down means कि ये बैलेंस हम नेक्स्ट मंथ आगे लिखेंगे. दिस इज 50,000. हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द बैलेंस? डिफरेंस ऑफ द टोटल ऑफ बोथ साइड इज नोन एज बैलेंस. ओके, सो 1 lakh, we will, after that again we will write here total 1 lakh and put 2 lines. 2 lines means now account has closed. Okay, so this is a how to open the account and how to close the account. Okay, now after that, if there is journal entry, any compound journal entry in which we have used 3 accounts, this is known as compound journal entry. Like we have purchases, goods purchases account debit to cash account and to RAM. Total we have purchased of rupees 1 lakh. 50,000 we have paid cash and 50,000 on credit. इसको थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट ही कर लो, अदरवाइज यू विल बी कंफ्यूज. 40,000 we have paid cash and 60,000 is still pending. It means credit purchase. Now we have to open 3 accounts for posting of this journal entry. Purchases account, cash account and RAM account. है ना? Open these 3 accounts. Purchases account, date particular journal folio amount, date particular journal folio amount, debit, credit. Okay, now cash account, same. Now RAM account, okay, you will open these 3 accounts. Now first account is purchase account. Purchases account is debit. So in purchases account, in debit side we will write both credit. Purchases account is debit with rupees 1 lakh, 40,000 because of cash and 60,000 sorry, 60,000 because of RAM. So these both account we will write here, 2 cash account and 2 RAM. Amount of cash account is 40,000 and amount of RAM account is 60,000. There is no link between the cash and RAM account because both are credit. There is a link between the debit and credit. Not debit and debit के बीच में आपस में कोई link नहीं होता है. Not affecting that these both account to each other. Okay. So now second account is cash account. Cash account is credit. So in credit side we will write buy purchases, जिसके कारण वो डेबिट है. Okay, buy purchases account. How much cash account? 40,000. Purchases account और cash account के बीच में how much amount relation is there? 40,000. Okay. Now RAM account. RAM account is credit. So in credit side of RAM account, in particular column we will write buy purchases account. Amount is 60,000. RAM is credit 60,000 because of purchases. RAM का account credit है 60,000 से, so amount we will write here 60,000. Cash account is credit 40,000 because of purchase. So we will write buy purchases account 40,000. Clear? After that closing is same. Okay, we will close a account by totaling of both side and difference of both side is known as balance. Fine. So after that, if one more entry I will say that cash account debit to sales account. This is a journal entry. How we will post this? Cash account is debit. So on debit side of cash account we will write to sales account. Amount is, how much amount that is given to you? Like amount is here 50,000. Then in cash account, to sales account we will write here 50,000. And one more account we will make sales account. है ना? Same like this. Sales account we will open. Sales account. Same 8 column we will make. Date, particular, journal folio, amount. Date, particular, journal folio, amount. Debit, credit. Okay. Then in this journal entry, sale account is credit. So in credit side, we will write buy cash account 50,000. Fine. If we are selling the goods on cash discount, then which journal entry will be here? Cash account debit, $49,000. Discount allow account debit 1,000. To sales account 50,000. है ना? ये जर्नल एंट्री पास करते हैं. When we selling the goods on discount, then we will receive the cash less. Discount काट के हमें cash मिलेगा. We are using 3 accounts in this journal entry. First is cash. Cash account is debit. So in debit side, sorry. In debit side we will write credit of cash to sales account. That amount cash account is debit with 49,000. So in debit side we will write to sales account 49,000. Clear? Second account is discount allow account. That also we will open. Space is here. Discount allow account. Date, particular, journal folio, amount. Date, particular, journal folio and amount. Discount allows debit. So in debit side we will write to sales account. There is no link between the debit and debit. Debit is linked with credit and credit is linked with both debit. Okay. So discount allow is debit with 1 lakh. Sorry, 1,000. Now third account is sales account. है ना? Sales account क्या है इसमें? Credit. So in credit side of sales account we will write both debit, buy cash account and buy discount allow account. How much? Related with cash 49,000 and 1,000 with discount. सेल अकाउंट क्रेडिट है 50,000 से, हमने कर दिया क्रेडिट 50,000 से. 49,000 is with cash and 1,000 with discount allow. ओके, कैश की अमाउंट कैश के सामने, डिस्काउंट अलाउ की अमाउंट डिस्काउंट अलाउ के सामने. ओके, सो दिस इज द posting of जर्नल टू लेजर, जर्नल से हम अकाउंट्स कैसे बनाते हैं लेजर में, दिस इज नोन एज पोस्टिंग. सो दिस इज द रूल्स रिगार्डिंग द पोस्टिंग. एंड क्लोजिंग द अकाउंट्स, if it is mentioned in the question that close the account, then only you have to close. Okay, otherwise no need to close the account. And how you will close the account? Do the total of both side, and difference of both side is known as balance carried down. And difference you will write in which side? Like we have to close this sales account, then total, there is no amount in the debit side, then total of credit side is 50 and 50, 1 lakh. So we will write here 1 lakh. These 4 accounts, sale, purchase, sale return and purchase return, these 4 accounts will be closed by a trading account to trading account. Okay, that why we have written trading and why we have written balance carried down, this you will come to know when we will do the chapter financial statement. Okay, so now this time you have to know only this thing, that sale, purchase, sale return and purchase return, these 4 accounts will be closed by a trading account. Okay, so to trading account, balance CD की जगह हमने यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है, trading account. Okay, and after that write the total in both side, 1 lakh and 1 lakh, and put 2 lines. Okay, so this is the way how to close the account. Like we have to close the purchases account, then total of purchases is 1 lakh, nothing in the credit side, then difference is 1 lakh. But we will write here by trading account. After that again write the total of both side and put 2 lines for closing the accounts. Fine. Okay, and cash account, total of debit side 99,000 and 40,000, total आप लिख भी सकते हो, और without writing total you can find out the difference of both side. Okay, total लिखना कोई जरूरी नहीं है, you can do at rough. Okay, 99 minus 40, it's 59, so 59 is the balance carried down. After that you will write the total of both side and put 2 lines. Fine, understand? So RAM account, nothing is here, so difference is balance carried down 60,000 and close the account. Okay, discount allow, close this account, 1,000 is difference, discount is our expense, so it will be closed by profit and loss account. Every expense and income account closed by profit and loss account. Close वैसे ही करना है उसका balance, but in place of balance CD we will write profit and loss account. Okay, understand? So this is all about the how we will prepare accounts from journal to ledger. Okay, in next video lecture we will, if we are using the subsidiary books, then how we will make the accounts from different subsidiary books. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.